My name is Cesar Rodriguez and I'm a PG&E supervisor. As a small business team, we understand that small business customers are the backbone to our community and local hometowns. They provide tons of jobs and lots of opportunities, and we're happy to help them keep the power on and keep paying it forward.
My name is Brandy Davis, supervisor for our small business advisors. Our mission is to provide resources and innovative solutions to our small, medium business customers so that they can sustain our communities.
Stay in the know with us, stay up to date on our communications, visit our website. We have a lot of opportunities there where customers can pay their bill, create alerts, run a rate analysis, as well as find opportunities or incentives for customers.
We have small, medium business resources, and we're happy to help.
As a leader, it makes me proud to work for a company like PG&E that supports a small business team dedicated to small business customers. We understand that they need our support, so we're here to help them.